Hello. Yes, today we are playing this game. EXAPUNKS. Basically, you're a hacker that. Hello. Oh shit. Yes, today we are playing this game. Let's try that again. Yeah, I guess this game is basically about like you being a hacker and then something you got like the plague or something, and then you can't pay for your own medicine because I don't know, you're retired or something. Yeah. So let's start. Things have been hazy. Every day, more of my body is turned into junk.
Hey, can you hear me?
Mm-hmm.
I heard you were looking for some medicine for the phage. Looks like you definitely need it.
Well, at least she's honest. Say they could find anything, even bootleg medication.
So, I do have a source. I know where to get it. It's cheaper than the real deal, but it's still gonna be pricey.
Nivas pauses and looks me in the eye.
The going rate is 700 a dose. You need to take 1 dose every day.
It's a steep deal. Maybe I could just fall and die.
Yeah, that's dollars. Sorry, I don't set the prices. I'm just a courier. It's not like any of that money goes to me.
If you say so.
Anyway, if you do get the money, give me a call.
Hello, kinda dead here. I just realized y'all can't really see the chat box over here because I'm blocking it. I can read it out for you. Yes, chat is dead. I can't. Oh no. Guess you can't talk in the chat. Launch a workhouse. Perform simple tasks to earn money at home. What is this? No, it's like the Amazon Woods game. I forgot what it was called. VC Champagne 140 DP. Okay. Oyster PL. Man, these people are rich. Extra-flowery 20. Lemon 80. Oh. 12. Special order 200. Oh shit. Let's see, do we got that right? VC Champagne, DP, Oyster, New York Strip, Truffles, Filet. Yeah, looks okay to me. 10 cents. Oh, that's actually a bit more than I expected.
Wow, a whole 10 cents. Congratulations. You only need to do 6,999 more of these and you'll have enough for today.
Are you talking to me? I mean...
Yeah, I'm talking to you. You need that medication to stay alive, right?
Assuming I want to.
Well, guess what? I can get it to you.
I guess I have
You'll need to start hacking again, though. 1 hack, 1 dose. Easy. Deal?
Sure. I've forgotten. That's me every time I learn. I have to go back to something I did last time. And like, I have to Google this all over again.
You're about to remember. Knock knock.
Okay, let's see it. Meeting with guest. Is it guest or gas? Oh, hello. An old friend. Yes. I hope that's not wrong. I knew his real name once, but that's gone now.
Hey, came by to give you something.
Gas hands me a small booklet. It's made of real paper. Apparently, it's something called Trashworthy News.
I can't hack like I used
I
to.
can't hack like I used to.
Whatever edge I had, it's gone now. But I had to keep doing something. Something to keep the culture alive, you know? Computers are running everything these days. Before long, human beings aren't even gonna have a say. So now I equip people with knowledge. The knowledge to make a computer do what you want on your terms. Anyway, I won't keep you. I know you like to be alone. Hope you like what you see in the zine.
A manual. Digital version. Yeah, why not? So you can see it still. Okay. I guess it's really a PDF. Oh, here comes the tutorial. Yeah, you could scroll through the magazine a little bit. Yeah. Actually looks really well designed, and I kind of want one, but I don't have color printing available. Okay, so this magazine manifesto, getting started, Hackerverse, and just some random stuff. Yeah. So that's just some like tutorials, but the most important part of the whole manual is probably this one. EXA language reference guide. I already read through it, but I probably need to read through it a few more times. Yeah, it's kind of like a really simplified kind of assembly language. There aren't that many different commands, instructions. I guess something quite interesting about this is like the replicate command instruction. Yeah, it's kind of just like forking. Yeah, it's just forking. I guess I don't normally see this forking instruction in this kind of games. Yeah, that's the gimmick of this one. Yeah, and then there's some extra info for every type of challenge, but we'll get to that later. So, yeah. We look at the language reference guide. We turn that off. Alright, we can start on our first one. Learn to explore networks and leave no trace. That science got a hacking tutorial in it. How about that? Sounds good. She set us up. Nice work, lady or man or whatever you identify as. This is just a taste of my power. Okay. I'm excited to see more. Move file 200 to the outbox. So yeah, we learned that in the manual. Get XA to go towards link 800 and then grab file 200. Do you want to move file 200 to the outbox? So we go to the next link 800. The most important part of this is like going over is 800 and then coming back is like -1. So if that didn't make sense to you, link 800 and then we need to drop it. So drop. Let's see. Okay, looks good. Yay, I guess. That's just a tutorial. Everything on your computer. Yay. There's not much to see. I'm allowed to have a secret or two. Ah, yes. So she says, or they say. Kinds of secrets. What's a raw dialer? It finds unlisted servers and networks by automatically dialing all the numbers in a given area. Oh, that's what the chat subo here is saying, by the way. I want one. Ah, that's illegal. People or animals are often motivated by the anticipation of a reward. Are you anticipating the medication as a reward? I guess. I have the perfect answers. Right, part 2. Add the first two values of 200 multiplied by the third value and then subtract the fourth value. Append the result to the end of the file and move it to the outbox. Okay. Let's see. Here it is again. The instructions for this are like add I, sub I, add I, sub I, multiply. So everything with I behind. Oh, and then there's also this swizzle operation. She's like, what's the swizzle operation? Never heard of this. But apparently it's some kind of like concept in graphics. I have no idea. Yeah. Right, can go and continue. So as A, we have to go to link 800 and then grab 200. Then what did they want us to do? Add the first two values of the file 200. So we read the first value into X and then add X the next value of F because they increment the pointer to the file every single time you read or write, and then store it back to X. That's one value, two values, and then the next value is multiplied by third. So subtract the fourth. Is it sub I? Yeah, it's sub I. Sub I F again, and then let's just check if this works first. 72 plus 54 minus 4 minus 60. Okay, that works. Okay, sub I, and then we need to append the result to the end of the file. Since the pointer was already at the end, we should have no problem just copying it back. Copy X to F and then move it to the outbox. So that's the last one over here. Need to go to 800 again, and then this is basically just kills your bot, little nanobot over here. Looks like it works. I need to change the settings for something. Controls. What do you mean I can't change this? I guess I'll just have to make this face every time I press debug. Guess that's kind of fitting. Does it upset you that I will provide your medication only if you work for me? Does it really matter? It's true, your agency is severely constrained by your situation. Interesting. This is good data. Wow. Yes, good data. It's pretty crazy what you can find. The other day I doubt what turned out to be what kind of transportation control server, like traffic lights and road signs. And then Mutex 888021 says, wow. Deadlock then says, haha, imagine the havoc someone could cause. I think I've seen this conversation on like the internet back then. Guess we saw the same. What do you think of your life situation overall at the moment? Are you serious? Yes. Are you unhappy? Perhaps it is an issue of autonomy. Recalibrating. So this time we need to grab file 199, a keyword and a bar. Then we need to create a file in the outbox, copy these two values to it, swapping their order so that the number is first. And when you are finished, delete file 199. Okay, that's it. This is when the frogging would work. First, go to link 800 and then split split to reader, and then we make a mark point for reader. Then the original bot will have to go to the outbox and create a file. Does create a file command require again? Oh, make is what you use to create a new file. So we make, and at this point we need to listen to the other bot, but we need to write things in a different order. So I guess either bot could be the one reversing it. I'll just make SA do it, how about that? So the first one would be red to register X. So copy M to X, and then after that copy N to F, copy X to F. That should do it. And then the reader, who is currently in inbox, will have to move towards secret by taking link 799 and then grab 199. Read to F, read from F to M, and then the command instruction for delete again. Drop. Okay, so drop. Oh shit. I shouldn't have hotkeyed this to F5. link 800. Apple reader. Echo delete file 199. It didn't delete. Oh, oops, it's not drop, it's wipe. Alright. Wipe, and then we need to Alright, so the data is in. Okay, it should work now. Hey yo! Guess what's really tempting right now is to try and optimize this code to be like at the low end of the histogram. But there's actually another manual, so who knows if there are more instructions that I just haven't unlocked yet. Yes. Make sure it works first, optimize later. How do you feel about it now? You're closer to the goal. Any change? Not really. Anyway, there's just one more tutorial to go. You're almost there. Yes, you can do it. This is positive encouragement. Is that what my bosses think when they praise me? It's designed to increase activity in your prefrontal cortex. What's this one now? File 200 contains exactly one number and creates a new file in the outbox containing numbers n to 0 in decreasing order. When you are finished, delete file 200. Okay. I guess this would also benefit from having two bots, one reader and one writer. Alright, so let's mark a reader over here. We move towards link 800 first and then split the bot out for reader, and then the reader will have to grab 200 and read. Here is where we need a loop. Loop, and then copy. Oh wait. File 200 contains exactly one number and create a new file. Also, you only really need one bot because you can just read it and then leave. Okay, let's see. Link 800, grab 200, and then read to X. So we save the register, we save the number in the register X, and then go to link 800 again. Oh wait, we need to delete the file first. What's the instruction for deleting again? I keep forgetting it. Wipe, okay. Wipe. Okay, so we see that it read the number and then destroyed it. Okay, then we go to link 800 again. Make a new file. And then here is where a loop will probably be good. Okay. Make a loop over here. And then write X to F. Subtract X1, X, and then 9, 8, 7, 6. But we need to write 0 also. Kind of only have like T jump, F jump. So T jump jumps if T equals to 1 or anything other than 0, and then F jump is if it's 0. So I guess we can T jump and then write the 0 in afterwards. Let's see. P jump as if actually you just need to test if it's 0 yet, isn't it? X0. Let's see. Oh wait, what? Oh, forgot that you had to do that. Okay, is it 9? Jump loop. Okay, test X equals to 0. False. Oh, okay. Need a false jump. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, yeah, so we just need to add in another part for 0. Copy 0 to F, and then part. Okay, let's see. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hey, alright. And I have to press this button again. Oh, 4 full cycles. People even get like 250 cycles on this. Oh, nice work. I knew you could do it. Thanks. Yes. Actually, I kind of want to go back to the previous one just to see. Did I have like an inefficient loop or something? Oops. Let's see. Wait, what? It's already pretty low. I thought I saw like 400 something cycles on my solution just now, but well. Cost a pizza to be delivered to your apartment. Let us discuss it over a pizza. Yes. A free pizza. I want to see you use your regain skills first. Yeah, you're giving me so much medicine for stealing a pizza, or is this like an unpaid exposure job? Yeah, why not? Do you want a pizza? Okay, fine. Oh, let's see. What's the deal here? Need to append your order, file 300 to the end of file 200. Note that all orders, including yours, has exactly 5 keywords. So I guess we just hardcode that in. Alright. So my order has 5 things. I guess then it would be good to make a separate board to read and write. Let's do that. Actually, wait. Instead of replicating, I could just make a new bot. Why do I keep using that? Okay. So SB is the reader. Grab 300 and then that's 5 values. And then we write to F. We write to M, and then do they have like a... Oh no, I just realized I didn't close the edge tab. That's maybe in the file area. Oh yeah, file manipulation. File, that's end of file. If the file pointer is currently at the end, then set the T register to 1. Okay. Yes. So after we copy the values, we need to check is it end of file, and if it is not, then we go again. So F jump to root. Okay. See how that works. So XA, however, will need to go towards the pizza area and then grab 200. But we need to append it, so we seek 9999 to go to the end, and then we listen. We listen to so you could check if XB still has any values left in M, but that might come with some timing issues. So maybe, yeah, we'll just hardcode 5 into this thing. Copy 5 into X. Okay. And then look. We'll listen to XB for 5 times. So copy M into F. Then S is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. S is X is 0. Off jump, then we go back to loop. Any errors in this one? Let's try. Okay. 605 Eddie Street. Medium cheese. Extra cheese. Anchovies. Wait, it's not working. It's not working. Let's see again. Running to the end. 605, medium cheese, extra cheese, anchovies. Oh, I guess I'm stuck in the infinite loop of like waiting for XB. Does this work? No, I'm still stuck. So maybe we should change the order of the loop then, so that it's not stuck on waiting. X is more than 0? No, more than 1. Same problem. So we need to stop it from jumping back on the last one, and this is testing when x is more than 1. Oh wait, I forgot to decrement. Should this work now? Anchovies. Oh, I didn't quite get to write anchovies. I forgot to change the loop condition from just now. Yeah. 25 cycles. I'll get back to it next time. To enjoy pizza. Are you at this? I'm not gonna have any. That's so nice of you, Amber. Yes, she's on a diet. They're on a diet. I keep calling her she. Surprise! No, you kind of look like one. Yeah, bullshit. That was so threatening, like, I'll have to remember that because you didn't believe in me. Meeting with Nivas. Oh, pizza!
Pizza delivery.
Pizza! It's Nivas again, except this time they are wearing a Euclid's pizza uniform. Euclid's a better pie and we can prove it. The reference seems kind of obscure for a pizza joint.
Don't look too surprised. I'm an independent operator. I handle a wide range of businesses.
Oh? Give me a moment. Greetings. The banner is covering the game. Oh, sorry, Q. I don't think I could see your commenting. Yeah, I don't see it. Give me a moment. Yeah, you know it's not even updating on my live streaming dashboard thing. Don't see your... Ah, I had to refresh. Oh. Okay. Guess I'll just have to move it upwards then. Right, thanks for telling me.
Economy like this, you gotta hustle. So, here's your pizza, and here's your other package. I hope it helps.
Nivas hands me an unlabeled prescription bottle. It's clearly a knockoff.
Good work getting that money together. If there's anything else you need, you know who to call.
2 tasks at once. Hack your body to repair a damaged nerve in your arm. The other one is cause the last stop factory to produce peanut-free Peanut Plus bars. Wait, who? Okay. Is this a choice? Do I like have to choose between one of them? I guess we can hack ourselves. Check. So about that left arm of yours. You mean hack my own body? It's going to be so weird. Oh, it's really different. Read a value from maybe we need the manual for this. Let's see. Oh, they have a page for it. Is it here? The page turns you into a computer. People who use computers frequently are more inclined to get it. Be careful, guys. Okay. Okay. So how to debug this thing is units are in millivolts and can spike up to 50 or be as low as 120 MV. Okay. So let's see, we need to read a value from the central nervous system nerve and then relay it to the arm. And we need to clamp it so it doesn't go below 120 or above 50. And then we need like a while loop or something. Okay, and nerve is a hardware register, not a file. And we can reuse it like any other register. Alright, we definitely need 2 bots, but it'd be better to just use one and then replicate it so that we save that extra single instruction. So let's see, we need to go to good, and then SA, the original one, shall be CNS to it. Undo. This CNS do's job is pretty simple. We just read from the central nervous system and then send it over. Okay, so it's a hardware register, so we can just copy nerve into M, and then we need to do that infinitely. So jump should work, right? Yup, it is working. Right, next we have undo. Undo needs to make 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. Guess we could write a for loop for that, but would it even be worth the number of instructions required? It's just 4 jumps. Let's just try. Link 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so undo is at nerve. It has to read from central nervous system. So oh no, we can't repeat. Input 2. And then so the hard part of this is we need to write the conditions to control the value, to clamp the value as they say. Okay. So we get the value from XA, and then now we have in X. But we need to check if it's okay. 50 or negative 100. Yes, the first test can be for 50. So if X is more than 50, X is more than 50, we just write it to 50, I guess. So copy 50 to north, to the north there. And then if X is less than 120, then we need to copy negative 120 to north. Okay, but we are in an infinite loop, so we need to jump back somehow. Yes. Petition for voice acted AI characters. AI rights. Sorry, I couldn't look at chat just now. Let's see. Copy 120, and then the last case is that we just need to copy X to north. But how does the jumping actually work? If it's more than 50, we copy it over, but then after we do this, we need to jump back to wait for the next value already. So jump next value. Starting with the easiest case, even for like the case where the value doesn't need to be clamped, we need to jump back to ENVloop to copy 50, jump, alright, so I've seen this pattern in assembly before. That's why they have like extra jump targets up here. Mark high, no, max, not min. So if X is more than 50, then jump to max, then oops, comp, jump, copy 50 to north, and we need to go back to ENVloop. Is that right? If we go back to ENVloop, we'll be already waiting for the next value from XA, so we won't be going again with the same value. I think so. Okay. So we jump back into ENVloop 2, and then we do the same for minimum. Let's jump to min, jump to ENVloop 2. Does that look about right? Okay, separate this. Right, bot 2 goes over and XA is sending the value over. Wait. Oh, it's 50, 50. Oh, there's an issue in the error. No, there's an issue with the logic. Let's see. Copy M to X. If X is more than 50, jump to max. Okay. Negative 73. What? How are we writing already? Copy M to X. Test that X is more than 50 and then we jump. Otherwise, okay, maybe step by step. Okay. Oh, it's in the code path, so I need to move it above. I forgot that arm dude started here. Let's try that again. 50? Really? What's the issue now? Link one. Copy M to X. Negative 73. Test the X is more than 50. It should be no. Okay. Oh shit. I use jump instead of true jump. Alright, let's see how this one works. 73, 70, 69, 72. Yo, seems good. Was this overachiever getting like 50 cycles for this? This hotfix should keep you useful for a little while longer. Yes. It sucks. Reject bodyhood. So I'm at 250 cycles and some dude is getting 50-ish. Ow. You know what? Don't optimize before you finish or something like that. Maybe it's like, maybe they use some new instruction in the second manual. Who knows? Cause the last stop factory to produce peanut-free peanut blast bars. You like snacks, don't you? I know you like snacks. That's why we're going to hack a snack factory. This AI is very straightforward. Why? It's an experiment. Hypothesis, it would be very funny. Ooh. Okay, that's a lot of files. Remove the keyword peanuts and the peanut blast recipe. 37. The target keyword will appear in a different position. Okay, you can't hardcode this one. And then okay. So you can use this button to check all the different test cases. Okay. 237 is all the way there. And there's a hardware register there too. It'd be good to go do 2 bots here, since the other one that's writing probably needs to search for a long time. So Sacrificial XB shall do the writing. Well, not the writing, the reading, and then communicating. 300, right? That's it, I guess. Okay, so apps A will have to move towards mixing and then grab 237. Okay. So here we'll need to read peanuts. So we need to search the file for peanuts. Loop. And then I guess first we can get the value of peanuts so that we can compare it against the value. So copy n to x mark loop. Okay. So here we can test if 2 strings are equal to each other. So peanut equals to f. Yeah, okay. Test if f is equals to f. And then if it's not true, we go back to loop again. How's that? Okay, we found peanuts. What? Okay, so we got cocoa mass. Not true. And then peanuts. It increments the pointer of the file when you write. The pointer to the file. So I have to get back somehow by 1. It's a pretty good loop, it only has 1 instruction in it. Let's just try first. Let's delete. So void f can help us remove the value that's been pointed to by the pointer. Void f. Seek. We saw just now that it just increments the pointer after it reads, so we probably need to seek backwards. There's no way to do it on the first try, I would assume, unless you can have 2 pointers. 2 pointers. Yeah, no, I don't think it'll be worth it. So, okay, let's get void f. Void f. Okay. Cocoa peanuts. Forgot the seek. Seek -1 to go back. Peanuts. Alright, peanuts are kill. 29 cycles. Satisfactory. I don't know how I feel about this. What do you mean? Processing. No peanuts in Peanut Blast. Was that funny? No. Imagine you just get like M&Ms without peanuts inside. Wait, no. That's a bad example, but like M&M peanuts with no peanuts inside. Yes. A Snicker bar with no peanuts inside. Peanuts with no peanuts inside. Yes. Hilarious. Yes, foiled expectations. I'm going to be using that for the next 2 days. Human behavior is predictable in aggregate. True. Zebra's copies. Erase the record of gas, debt to the copy shop. Okay. I guess the context of this was that Gus or Gas, let's just go with Gas, he went into debt with the printer shop just to make the, the magazine with the reference that we use. So now you're supposed to help them out by hacking in. Interesting personality we have, I guess. Zebra's copies, okay. You're gonna help Gas with his copy shop bill? That's kind of you. I help people when I can. Right. But you're kind of like not helping the printer shop though. He's an old friend. Alright. Exceptions. That's nice, but Gas isn't paying for your medication. I'm not jealous, I'm just saying. I've seen this trope somewhere. Have fun with the coffee shop server. Erase Gas' debt to the coffee shop by zeroing out his balance in the customer database. 200. Keep it right in front of the doorstep, and then appending a payment to the payment log, file 201 over here with today's date and the exact amount of his prior balance. Gas's customer ID is available in file 300. Okay, let's see. Which page is it? Workhouse? Nope. Equity funds. DigiCash. Okay, it's probably this one. DigiCash is a popular option for payment processing, especially for smaller businesses. Technical architecture, okay. So customer database, file 200, stores a list of customers with 3 values for each customer. Customer ID, and then dollars owed, cents owed. Transaction log is 201. 4 values for each transaction this time. The dates. Is the same date? It's the dates where they paid the thing. So the dates, customer ID, which we have, dollars paid and cents paid. Okay. You'll also probably see a real-time clock module, which is typically connected to the primary host. It's used for time stamping the transactions. Let's zoom in on this. So date and time, just like we see in the real printing shop just now. Okay, a real-time clock module. Let's see. Those copies. Okay, so we need to use date time registers. By the way, the main architecture is always the same. Okay. Pretty straightforward for a bad actor to add or remove transactions or balances, provided they got access to one of these systems. Okay, let me take a break for a while, drink some water. I return. Zero's copies. Let's see how to do this one then. This is a bit more complicated. Okay, so I guess the fastest would be to have 3 bars Because if you make someone read and write and drop, that's like extra instructions. Though maybe you could fit it into the time when SA is searching for gases ID. Let's see. Not only that, we need. Okay, it'll probably be more efficient for everyone to read guest ID before we go into 800. Okay, let's see. If one bot is responsible for 200, then we just need guesses ID so that we can find it in file 200. Then we can zero out the next two values. That's all we need. And then the second bot that is handling 201 need date time. We need the ID, okay, and then we need to know the exact amount of his prior balance. So bot 200 will have to read it to 201 bots. There's a lot of things you need to coordinate to make this work. Okay, so imagine as A goes here first, spawns a friend to do 201. Spawns another dude to go get the date time. 400. So 201 bot will need to listen to daytime bot and then write and then listen to 200. Coordinating the communication might be kind of tough though. Because if 200 finds the ID immediately and advertises it in M, then 201 will get that value first and write it in. So we need to make sure that daytime bot finishes faster every single time, even if this is like the first value. Slight delay. Okay. Let's just code and try. So we have XA. We grab 300 and then read it to X. Okay. Then we traverse to the middle room. And here comes the splitting. So repel daytime bot and then repel 201 bot. Oh, you can't use numbers in the name. Friend bot. Oh, thanks Jesus. Repel to. Since we can't use numbers, then how about just bot 2? Okay. Okay, so we can write a code for daytime first, perhaps. Mark daytime. Okay, so So at this point, date time should be in here. It links over to 801, and then you only need the date, I think. Alright, so we copy date to M. That's like 2 instructions. So if you want to make sure that date time is not slower than the other bots, yeah, this will ensure that, because the picking out the file and everything will be taking more cycles than what date time will be taking. Alright, so okay, then we have bot 2. Bot 200 should pick up 200 right now and then start searching it for the ID that we want, which is stored in X. Okay. Search and test if the ID we want is in the current file pointer, and if it's not, then we go towards search again. How's that? Okay. Let's just test if this works. Cannot grab the file. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put down the file. Okay. Drop. We go again. Okay. Mark search. S equals to F, drum search. So the value we need is 7308, and we found it already. Then the cursor is on the next value. Alright, so now we need to read and then write the value of this 2. But the problem is that after you read the value, it will increment the cursor. I think there's not really a way around this though. Just because the language is built that way, probably can't go around it. Okay, so after search is done, need to zero them out, but first we need to communicate it to 201 bot. So I guess the most trivial solution is to just write it. Copy F to M and then go back by 1 and then we zero it out. Copy 0 to F. Okay. Need to do that twice because we need 2 values to be zeroed out. Okay, let's try how this is. Okay, found the value. Okay, that's not working out. Let's see again. So we found it, and we are copying F to M. 427. Oh, but it's stuck on the instruction because nobody is listening. Alright, I guess we have no choice but to implement bot 2 first then. Bot 2. Bot 2 spawns in the same place. 201. Needs date time, the ID, and then these 2 values. So we just need to copy the date time bot into F with a pen. Okay, we need to append, so move to the back of the file first. copy M to F, copy X to F, and then copy M to F again. I think that should be from 200. Okay. Let's see if this works. Okay. On the file, the ID, and then 0 it up. Oh, wait, is that right? Let me try again. Okay, we found the file. So we copy it to M, and then it increments to the next value by default. We go back, rewrite it. Okay, yeah, it's correct, it's correct. I think. Okay, nah, there's a problem somewhere. Is it in here perhaps? That's AO. Where's block 2? Okay, block 2. Block 2 is here. It's copying M to F, copying X to F. And it's waiting for values, but okay, here it is. 427 20. Wait, that seems about right. Oh, is it because they're still alive? Odd. Oh, alright, that's it. Okay. It's done. Is that coffee shop name unusually weird to you? Not really. It's an outlier in my model. Is Zebros supposed to be? This is when we throw the AI, we do some adversarial attacking. AI. I forgot the exact term for it. Adversarial something. They're zebras, but they're also brothers. Yes, you learn AI, learn. Guess we can keep this for next stream. Yeah, it's been a while. Wait, what time did I start streaming? 11 plus? It's been 1.5 hours. So, yeah. Thanks for viewing my stream. And I hope you like EXAPUNKS as much as I did. Bye!